In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a repeater in the Wix editor, bringing dynamic content to your site with ease. We'll start with a detailed walkthrough of adding a repeater and configuring its connection to a data collection. This process will help you effectively manage and present content in a structured, attractive way to enhance user experience. Let's dive in by opening the Wix editor and looking over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Add button, which holds a world of elements you can integrate into your site. Click on Add Elements, then navigate to List, where you will find the Repeaters option. Click it, and you're ready to drag and drop a repeater onto your page. The flexibility of repeaters lies in their ability to duplicate the content set within, allowing for uniformity and ease of data presentation. Next, we turn our focus to the first item in your newly added repeater. Select the repeater and look for the Manage Items button, or alternatively, you may find this under the floating panel. This is your dashboard to add various input elements like text inputs, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more to the first item. Remember, any element you add here will be replicated across all the items in the repeater. This consistency is key when presenting data in a cohesive format. Once the input elements are in place, it's time to get creative with the design of the repeater item. You can arrange and style the elements, adjusting everything from layout to color and text size. A clever design not only adds visual appeal, but ensures that your information is easy to digest at a glance. What's fantastic is that any change you make in one item will automatically apply to all other items in the repeater, saving you lots of time and effort. Now that we have the basic setup ready, let's connect your repeater to a data collection. Head over to your site's dashboard and create a new collection in the Content Manager. This collection will act like a spreadsheet or database, holding all the data you need for your table columns. Name your fields according to what you'd like to capture, such as name, email, or any other details pertinent to your site's needs. After setting up your data collection, return to the editor and select your repeater. Notice the Connect to CMS icon, which looks like a database. Click on it. This brings up a panel where you can choose a dataset. If you haven't already set a dataset up, you'll need to create one linked to your new collection. Finally, you'll connect each element within your repeater to corresponding fields in your new collection. For example, a text input might connect to the name field, while another could link to the email field. Following this structure, you'll have a fully functioning repeater ready for users, providing an organized, dynamic, and visually engaging display of information. Happy editing on your Wix site!